Hello and welcome. My name is Kubeir, and this channel is all about Canadian immigration news, updates, things you should do, things you definitely should not. I'm a CICC licensed immigration consultant, so I have my ear to the ground with regards to anything that is happening in the field of Canadian immigration because I want to know what's happening so that in most cases I can share with you what's happening. And today's video is something which is not mainstream immigration, but something which is going to affect or impact a lot of you out there. So it's worth a discussion. And I'm talking about undocumented workers. Now, undocumented workers, for people who may not understand that term, is basically people who have come to Canada at some point of time, but then have gone out of status. So for a layman's term, they are currently living in Canada illegally without any status. So these would be your undocumented workers, and you could become undocumented for any reason. I mean, you could have lost your status because you lost your status and then you continue to overstay for whatever the reason might be. Or you could be working for an employer and your employer treats you badly. You leave that employer and go work elsewhere illegally, and you continue to do that regardless of when your work permit status expires. People do that for all different reasons, and I am not the one to judge why somebody would do that because different conditions, different circumstances can force people into doing different things. At the last count, based on some numbers available here, there are approximately 500,000, 500,000 undocumented workers in Canada at this point of time. I'm sure the number is slightly higher. This is a recent Toronto Star article which talks about Canada developing a path to permanent residency for the undocumented workers. And here it says as many as 500,000 undocumented residents live in Canada, often working exploitative jobs in construction, cleaning, caregiving, and agriculture. And these are also the industries where there is a big requirement and big shortage of manpower as well. So have a read of this article. I'm going to post the link in the description. The mandate letter that was issued to Sean Fraser, the immigration minister, in December by Justin Trudeau also indicates the need for regularizing the undocumented workers in Canada. However, my concern or my issue with this is not about these individuals getting, the rightfully deserving status, but what about all those other hundreds and thousands of people who have legally tried to come to Canada, who are legally working in Canada, and yet have basically no chance for immigration or for permanent residence? What about those guys? Fair versus unfair? What do you guys think? I want to see in the comments box what do you think should be the right way of handling such a situation. Here there is a situation, a humanitarian situation of nearly 500,000 people who are out of status, who are undocumented, who are illegal, and Canada is now looking at a program to give them a shot at permanent residence. But at the same time, there are millions of other people inside Canada and outside Canada who have been waiting for years now, who have been doing everything possible that can be done to come to Canada legally through the established program that Canada has set up for immigration to Canada for permanent residents. Not only that, there are nearly 1 million people in Canada who are international students, foreign workers, under open work permits as well, under temporary foreign worker program as well, who are now waiting anxiously for some program to be announced which can make it easier for them to become permanent resident. Yes, we are all waiting with our breath being held to hear some announcements on TR2PR, if at all that happens. Tomorrow is the 8th of September, so let's see if something of that sort comes. I am not going to keep my hopes high on that one, but we want to see if something like that comes, right? Motion M44 indicated that. Sean Fraser's mandate letter also indicates about expanding pathways for international foreign workers and students. We got to wait and see what that brings. But again, I want to sort of take a step back and try and figure out where is the space, where is the availability of the numbers within the immigration quota. When the mandate letter of these kinds are issued by Justin Trudeau to Immigration Minister Sean Fraser, did they not create a certain number or certain quota for all these extra programs, new streams that they are also trying to establish? When Justin Trudeau issues a mandate letter and sort of lists down all different provisions that Sean Fraser has to work with, Did he not, or rather, do they not discuss among themselves and say, okay, let's also put a number, let's say 50,000 for these new programs, for humanitarian programs or any kind of programs that we will develop during the course of the year. There is nothing of that sort. Instead, last year's TR2PR program resulted in FHS, federal high skilled numbers being cut down. The Afghan refugees resulted in the federal high skilled numbers getting cut down for this year and also next year. And for the following year, then the numbers are still at the same what they were at the pre-pandemic levels. So by actually giving out provisions for the undocumented workers, what then happens to all those hundreds and thousands of deserving legal workers who are in Canada? Don't you think that's a question that somebody should be asking? Please don't get me wrong. I am not trying to offend anybody out there. I am definitely not the one against regularizing the status for undocumented workers. These undocumented workers have always struggled to find some sort of justice with the sense of employment, with the sense of status, and obviously they are always living under the fear that at any point of time they could be asked to leave the country, they could be caught. And of course, when these people do go to work, they are harassed, they are oppressed, and employers take advantage of them, they are not given fair wages. So all kinds of bad things these people have to go through because simply they are out of status, purely because of circumstances. I'm just trying to make a point which people in the think tank should be pondering as to, are they being fair, unfair to people who also equally deserve the chance? So where are the numbers, where are the quotas, and where are the provisions for making this happen for everybody who deserves to get a shot at Canadian immigration? That's number one. Number two, when something like this happens, and let's say Canada obviously does go ahead and makes this provision, because I think about 2 years back, Ontario did make a provision for about 500 undocumented construction workers. Great thing, because construction industry within Ontario is really struggling with the shortage of workers, and these people have been working in Canada and they obviously deserved a shot. But not only 500, many more thousands, but only 500 managed to get through, and that program was made successful. Everything is good, everything is fine. I'm sure something similar will, or rather should, happen with the healthcare and the construction and the agricultural industries as well, and all that is good. But imagine, just for a minute, just imagine and just think about it, that if such a program is made, can you imagine how many other people who were not thinking of using this kind of a route will now be encouraged to come to Canada, be here illegal, become an illegal individual, become undocumented? So what if you have to work for a cash salary? So what if you have to find job somewhere and sort of make that happen for you? Spend 3, 4, 5, 6 years, and then voila, some point of time, Canadian government will give you another amnesty and will give you another provision for you to regularize your status. Don't you think that sort of situation will also be encouraged? Not only that, I'm more worried about the unscrupulous agents and consultants and lawyers who are sitting all across the world, who are just waiting for some sort of an opportunity which they can get to further promote something like this. Can you imagine how they would be waiting to grease their palms for such kind of a program to be announced, so that they can then lure people into saying, I can send you to Canada. Once you get there on a visit visa, just sort of relax, just stay there, work on cash salary, do whatever you wish to do. 3, 4, 5, 6 years later, there will be a program by Canada, because they are known to issue these amnesty programs, and you will then be able to regularize your status. The point I'm trying to make here is that while these individuals who have worked so hard and who have been living under so much of fear and anxiety for such a long period of time deserve to get some status, but on the other side, the negative of this particular program or this mandate would be encouragement for all other people who may find this to be an alternative route, just because they are not able to find a pathway or a program to Canadian permanent residency the right way, the legal way, the nice way. So what should those people be doing? And not to mention, there are families who have been separated for years now, and still there is nothing. Open work permit holders, their families have been separated. International students, they keep applying and they keep getting refused. And at this point of time, they're not even getting a decision. The program is about to start. And I can just go on and on and on, but I hope you're getting the gist. But I want to see in the comments below and what you think what's fair, what's unfair, what should be happening, what shouldn't be happening. Do these guys who are undocumented, do they deserve a chance? Why not? I mean, they have obviously contributed, and they have worked in the industry where no one else wants to work, especially agriculture, especially construction. Nobody else wants to work there, and these guys are still giving their sweat and their blood and obviously their time and their effort, and making things work, keeping the machine rolling, and obviously they deserve a shot. What do you think? Do you think these guys obviously should be given a chance because they deserve it? And if they do, out of 500,000, who should get a chance? Okay, because I'm sure all 500,000 cannot be given a chance, or rather, the number cannot be accommodated within the immigration quotas. So who will get it? And how will they then make sure that only the deserving individuals are getting it? Because if they are undocumented, it basically means they're being given cash salaries. And if they're being given cash salaries, how do they prove that their work experience is genuine? But obviously, the idea is good in concept, that they want to sort of offer something to these individuals. The idea by itself to regularize the status is good. I'm not sure who is going to be given a priority or given a chance. That is something which we have to wait. But at the same time, what is going to happen with millions of people right now who are waiting for their decision? They're not even getting a decision. What's fair, what's not fair? Let's hear from you. But that's all I have to talk to you about this particular news article which caught my interest. Thank you for joining in. If you're here, give us a like so that this video can go out to more and more people. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining in. I'll see you soon. Stay safe and take care.